Imagine buying the biggest open-world game ever made. The developers spent 10 years building it. Thousands of cities, millions of tiny details, hundreds of stories, hidden locations, and unexpected encounters. You could spend thousands of hours exploring it and still never see everything. But every game begins with a tutorial. For the first 20 minutes, it teaches you how to walk, run, interact with objects, talk to characters, and complete simple tasks. Now imagine someone who never leaves the tutorial. Every day, they repeat the same exercises. Learning how to walk, shooting at the same targets, talking to the same instructor, completely unaware that beyond the giant gates lies the real world. Sounds ridiculous, doesn't it? Now answer this honestly. Are you absolutely sure you've left the tutorial yourself? Because sometimes I get the feeling that most people spend their entire lives inside it. School, get a degree, find a job, take out a mortgage, pay the bills, buy things, wait for vacation, repeat. It all feels so normal that eventually a dangerous thought sneaks into your mind. Maybe this is all life is. But what if it isn't? What if everything you've been doing so far was only preparation? After all, the purpose of a tutorial isn't to live inside it. Its only purpose is to prepare you for the real adventure. The real game begins afterward. That's when you start taking roads you've never taken before, exploring places most people never bother to visit, trying things that once frightened you, meeting people you were never supposed to meet, changing careers, moving somewhere new, falling in love, failing, creating, losing, living. The strangest part is that so many people say, I'm trying to find myself. But how could you possibly find yourself if you've never left the starting area? How do you know you love the ocean if you've never seen one? How do you know another country isn't where you truly feel at home? How do you know you'd love teaching, or writing books, or building something with your own hands, or living an entirely different kind of life? We constantly mistake a lack of experience for certainty. What we usually mean isn't, that's not for me. What we really mean is, I've never tried it. Every new experience reveals more than the world. It reveals another part of you. That's why people often say they became a different person after traveling, falling in love, losing someone, changing careers, or surviving something difficult. But maybe they didn't become someone new. Maybe they simply discovered a part of themselves that had been hidden behind the fog of the map all along. And this is where life becomes far more unforgiving than any video game. In a game, you can always start over. Delete your save. Create a new character. Replay the story. Make different choices. Correct your mistakes. Life gives you no such option. One day, the screen simply goes dark, and there won't be a new game button waiting for you. I don't think that in that moment people ask themselves, did I make enough money? Or even, was I successful? I think the real question sounds very different. Why did I spend so much of my life inside the tutorial without realizing the real game had already begun? And perhaps the most beautiful realization is this. You don't actually have to unlock the next level. There are no gates, no loading screen, no final exam standing between you and the rest of the map. Only the habit of believing that preparation matters more than life itself. So if life has started feeling repetitive, maybe the problem isn't life. Maybe you've simply been replaying the tutorial for too long. And if that's true, then today you're standing before a choice. You can wake up tomorrow and complete the same training exercise one more time. Or you can finally open the map, because no one knows how long it will be before the credits begin to roll. But until they do, the world is still waiting for you to actually start playing.